Good morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing good. Now, today I am going to tell you something very important. Today I am going to tell you about internal assessment of EVS first term. This are going to include your marks, okay? This is going to include in your marks. You already know we have started with our FA exam. Teacher has already sent a video in a WhatsApp group to your mummy and daddy. Tell your parents, tell your mommy and daddy to check that, okay? Now today I'm going to explain how are you and what are you going to do in EVS. Okay, there is one assessment in EVS which I'm going to show you now, which is of 10 marks. Okay, so you are going to do it very well. It's very easy. Listen to me properly. What are you going to do in this? You have to label the parts of the body. Now where is number 1? Number 1 is written here. So what it is, the arrow is coming from the which part of your body, that name you have to write in here, number 1. Now here is number 2. So which part of the body it is showing, it is asking you, that you will write inside this box. Now here is number 3. So which part of your body is that you will write in number 3. Then you will go to number 4. Which part of your body is it showing, that you will write in number 4. Now here is number 5. So which part of your body is this, okay, that you are going to write here, that you are going to write in number 5. So what are you going to do in this? You are going to take one paper, in that you are going to write number wise. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and 5. Sorry, I don't have place here. I will try again, just a minute. Okay, I'm going to take a paper, and in that I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what is number 1 here? Which part of your body is asking in number 1? That you will write here. Where is number 2? Here. So which part of your body is that arrow showing? That you will write here, number 2. Number 3 is here. Which part of your body is that you will write here, and number 4 and number 5. You have to write in same sequence. If you write number 1 answer in number 5, then teacher will give you wrong. Okay, teacher will give you wrong. So what are you going to do now? For example, this number 3 answer is, you know already what is the answer of number 3. If that answer of number 3 you write here in number 1, then teacher will give you wrong, a big wrong, and no marks for you. Okay, so you have to listen properly to what teacher is telling. Okay, number 1, this you will write answer in number 1 only. Number 5 answer you will write in 5 only. If it is going up and down, if you write number 2 answer in number 3 and number 3 answer in number 2, then teacher is going to give you wrong. Am I clear? So what are you going to do in the paper? Listen to me carefully. Student will see and label the parts of the body in a sheet of paper. Okay, only answers should be submitted with proper numbering. Only answers I want. I don't want you to draw the whole picture. Don't draw, only answer. An image should be clicked, posted in the respective class group within 2 days, that is by 22nd. Okay, on 22nd you are by 8 p.m. the answers of this parts of the body you are going to send me on a WhatsApp group. Okay, tell your mummy or daddy to send me on a WhatsApp group. And if you want this picture, I will send you in your WhatsApp group to your mummy and daddy, so you can check on WhatsApp also. This picture, this image this full picture teacher will send you on WhatsApp. Tell your mama to check it. Okay, and then you can give the labeling and write in a sheet of a paper. And what are you going to write in that paper first? Listen to me very carefully. Your name, standard, division, Subject, the subject is EVS, right? So you will write subject here, then roll number and SID number. You know your name, you can write your name. You know your standard and deviation. You know the subject and roll number also. Only SID number, tell your mummy or daddy to write it for you. Okay. And now about the answers. Now number 1 answer you will write here, number 2 you will write 3 and 4 and 5. Only answers I want in a proper numbering and proper sequence. That's it. If you do it all correct, then you will get full 10 marks. If you do wrong, then I have to cut the marks. Okay, children? Now let's see what is next. Now that was assessment for 10 marks, and now we are going to do the activity for 10 mark. Okay, your first activity of this FA for 10 marks is draw a family tree. In a paper, you can use a A4 size paper for the answer of the parts of the body also, and for the answer of a family tree also. Okay, you can draw in a A4 paper. Here also in A4 paper, first you will write your name, standard, division, roll number, subject and SID number. Okay, then only teacher will understand now whose paper is this, who has done this. Okay, what you have to do is draw a family tree, and whoever is staying at your home, all the family members name you have to write on a family tree. Okay, now for example, I am writing name of my father. My father name is for example, my father name is Raju. Okay, so I will write father and then down I will write Raju. Understood? I'll show you how to do. See, now father and my father name is Raju, so I will write father and down I will write Raju in a circle. Now if you have your mother, if you have your brother and a sister, then you will write, if you have a brother, okay, if you have a brother and your brother name is, for example, your brother name is Ram, okay, so you will write BROTHER, brother, and down you will write the name of your brother, that is Ram. Okay, if you have a sister and her name is, for example, Sina, okay, then you will write SISTER, sister, and down you will write Sina. Okay, then mother, you will write MOTHER, mother. So it is written here, mother, and then down you will write the name of your mother. First you will write mother and down the name of your mother. Then here you will write father, and then here you will write father's name. Here you will write myself and you will write your name. Here you will write brother and down you will write brother's name. See, when I taught you new words, when I started with the lesson of my family, I taught you new words, right? In that, I also taught you the spelling of father, mother, brother, sister, grandparents, uncle, aunt, right? This all spelling you already know. So you have to write the spelling first, and down you will write the name of your mother, father, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, grandparents, whoever are staying at your home, your family member, all the names should be there in your family tree. Am I clear? See, now student will make a family tree with the name of the family member and relation. Now for example, father, my father name is Ravi, so this is my family tree. Here I will write father and down I will write, sorry, I cannot write here, but I hope you understood. I will write first father, okay, in a family tree, on a family tree, and then down you will write father's name is Ravi. Understood? Now same way you will write the name of your mother. You will write first mother, and what is the name of your mother? Sarita, for example. Then you will write down Sarita. Am I clear? Then you have a brother, so you will write BROTH, brother, and then down you will write the name of your brother, for example Raju. Then you will write sister and the name of your sister. If you have your grandfather, you will write the spelling of grandfather, and down you will write the name of your grandfather. If you have a grandmother, you can write the name of your grandmother also. Okay, whoever is staying with you at your home, in your family, you are going to write all the names with relation in your family tree. Am I clear? Yes. Okay. An image should be clicked after doing the family tree. When it is completed, you will click the image and you will send it in the respective class group within 2 days. Okay, that is 22nd. Saturday before 8 p.m. you are going to send me the photo on WhatsApp group. You have a WhatsApp group of your class, right? Tell your mommy or daddy to send the photo of the label of the parts of the body which I have shown you first assessment, and the second this activity of family tree. These two photos you have to send on your WhatsApp group on Saturday 22nd August. Okay, before 8 p.m. After 8 p.m. teacher will not see. So send me before 8 p.m. Okay, and in both the activity, in the assessment 1 and activity 1, first you have to write your name, standard, division, subject and SID number. This is very important. Otherwise teacher will not understand whose project is this. Yes? Understood, children? All the best. Do it very nicely. And if you do it by yourself, you will get it more marks. Don't take help of your mother and father only where required. Okay? Write by yourself. Don't take help of your mummy and father, mummy and daddy. Okay? Don't take help. I will understand who is taking help and who is not taking help. So it is very good if you do it by yourself. Okay, if you don't know to draw a family tree, yes, your mummy and daddy can help you for the family tree. Okay, but don't ask the spelling. Try to learn. You have 2 days time. Okay, so learn the spellings very well, and then you can do it by yourself. It's very easy, right? Yes, children. So all the best. Do it nicely. Okay. Thank you.